Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add local files to Spotify iPhone from PC. Basically, you can do this method or procedure using your mobile, and then later if you want to see your files, you can now open this to your browser. So first and foremost, go and then download your music. After you have downloaded your music, you can now create a folder for that, or you can just go directly to downloads. So let me open my file folder right here. And then here on browse, I have to scroll down and then look for downloads. Okay, so tap downloads here and then locate the music that you wanted to add to your local files. So here's the music that I want to transfer or to add to my local files to Spotify. And then tap this folder icon below, click this one. After that, you have to go to the search bar and then type Spotify. So you will see here Spotify folder, or you can tap this arrow facing down here and look for Spotify folder. Okay, so once you found the Spotify folder, all you have to do is to click that. So those music that you have tapped will be moved or transferred to Spotify folder. So here it is. Now tap move. And then after that, you can now go to your Spotify or launch your Spotify application. And then you have to locate your account or log into your account. Tap your profile at top left corner. Go to account, scroll down till you see a local files right here. And what you're going to do is you just have to simply toggle on or you just have to turn on this one. Then you will see a notification below that your local files has been added to your library. As easy as that. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.